Hey, welcome to this video. Dora here, and in this one we'll talk about Clickbank. So I want to explain to you what is Clickbank, how does it work, and how to actually make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. And when I got started with Clickbank and affiliate marketing, that was over 2 years ago. It took me 7 months just to make my first sale, just to make my first money here on Clickbank. It took me 7 months. Now, on one side, it was great feeling, making your first sale, like it's great feeling, because like that proved to me that affiliate marketing works, that it's possible to make money on Clickbank, right? That I can do it, even though English is not my first language, college dropout, I have no college degrees, but like that proved to me that it's possible, right? So, but the reason why I was failing, I was struggling for so long, is because I didn't have all of the strategies and I didn't have the right blueprint to follow. So like really what I want to do in this video, like I want to give you some basics about Clickbank, what it is, how it works, but like I also want to give you that blueprint, 3 steps that will actually help you start making money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. So here we are on Clickbank, and Clickbank is the biggest marketplace of digital products on the internet. So here you can find thousands and thousands of different products in different industries, in different niches, from different vendors. So basically, here's how affiliate marketing works. Okay, let me actually demonstrate this to you. So on one side, we have people, we have vendors, and those are people who created products. So basically, those people are selling their products, so they have all of those products. So let's just say that those boxes, by the way, these are supposed to be perfect boxes. But let's just say that those are those products, right? Now on the other side, we have people who are buying those products. So we have customers, and basically in the middle, we have a person called an affiliate marketer. And basically there are 2 ways to make money with Clickbank. So you can either create different products and you can put them on Clickbank, so you can become vendor. Now the second way is actually you can become an affiliate marketer, and this is actually it's very, very cool, because like that way you don't have to create your own products, right? You don't have to customer service people, you don't have to store products, you don't have to fulfill orders, like none of this stuff. Basically, here's how affiliate marketing works. So affiliate marketing is that very, very lucrative business model where you can promote someone else's product and you can make money. So you can basically take all of those products from vendors, you can promote them, and every time someone purchases from you, you make certain percentage per sale, right? So depending on what it is that you are selling, some products will pay you 20%, some will pay you 30%, some will pay you even 70 to 80% per sale, right? So it's very, very cool model. But basically, think of affiliate marketers, that connectors, that person who is connecting those problems. So basically all of those customers, basically all of those people have problems, and they are looking for solutions to their problems. And basically all of those products deliver those solutions. So basically here's how you as an affiliate can actually make money. Basically affiliate marketer is making that connection, right? So basically you're connecting those problems those customers, potential customers have, with all of those solutions, with all of those products. And basically every time you make that connection, every time someone purchases, you make money. So basically, again, like you can be either a vendor or an affiliate marketer. Now basically what I'm going to talk about in this video is basically how we make money as affiliate marketers, because like this is the fastest and the easiest ways to actually get started with Clickbank, because like you don't have to create a product, right? You don't have to spend months on creating content, on training, all of that stuff. Like you don't have to have customer support, you don't have to worry about payment processors, like you don't have to store products, you don't have to build offices, you don't have to have employees, right? Basically none of these stuff. So it's very, very cool stuff. Now let's actually talk about how to make money. So let me go back here to Clickbank. So first thing what you need to do to actually be able to promote their products is you need to create yourself an account as an affiliate. So to do this, very simple process, all you have to do is just click here on create account at the top. So it will take you through this sign up process. It's 100% free. All you have to do here is just enter your personal information, and basically you will create yourself an account with Clickbank. So let me go back. Once you do this, basically here on Clickbank again we have thousands of different products, right? So let's actually take a look at all of those products. Now to do this, I'm going to click here on affiliate marketplace. Okay, so here we have a lot of different categories on the left, as you can see. But here's the thing. Basically what I'm looking for, there are 3 steps that will help you make money here with Clickbank as affiliate. So basically, And you know, basically what we need to do is we need to do certain things in a certain way to actually make money. So there is a very cool blueprint that I'm following in my own affiliate marketing business. Basically, here's how it looks like. So I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but I'm actually going to break it down into 3 steps here on my screen. But you know, this is the blueprint that's working for me, very powerful stuff. And this is the blueprint I'm following every time I'm launching a new affiliate marketing campaign. So let's actually break down this blueprint into 3 steps. So we have 3-step process to making money. Okay, so basically step number 1, and again, like, because we have only so much time in this video, right? Like, I want to give you the big picture. But if you want to dig deeper into this blueprint and exactly how to implement it step by step, what you can do is you can click on the first link in the description and you can access free advanced training that will basically show you how to implement this blueprint exactly step by step. But basically, like, I want to give you those strategies right now, those 3 steps. I want to break this blueprint down into 3 steps that you can actually implement right after watching this video to start your own highly successful affiliate marketing business. So step number 1, we need to have a product. Step number 2 is we need to have, and this part is actually very important. This is what most people don't have, and this is what people are struggling. Okay, this is the reason why I was failing with affiliate marketing. So second thing, we need to have something called conversion machine. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you all of those steps in more detail in just a second. And basically, think number 3, we need to have some traffic. And traffic is basically visitors, potential buyers. Now, when it comes to product, there's a couple of things that I'm looking for. Okay, 2 things. So first thing, I'm looking for product must be in booming industry, and the second thing is I'm looking for product that is in high demand. So let's go back here to Clickbank. So basically here you can see all of those different categories, right? But the question is which category to pick, which product to pick. So basically, again, I'm looking for those categories, those industries that are booming. So here's what it means. So basically, like, booming industries are those industries that are booming, growing very rapidly. And to find them, you can take a look what's going on in the world, right? You can take a look at trends. Now, a good example of booming industry is actually e-learning. Then we have drones, we have content marketing, right? Booming industry. We also have finances, everything related to money, health, relationship, fitness. And the reason why, because, like, if you think about it, you know, money, health, relationship, right? Those markets are proven to make money. Like, those markets will always make money. Like, no matter what's going on in the world, like, people will be always buying products in those markets. And if you think about it, the reason why is because people will always want to improve themselves, be healthy, be in good shape, be fit, look nice, right? Have more money, be in happy relationships, all that stuff. So really what I'm looking for is I'm looking for those industries that are booming, that are proven to make money. So here we can take a look at all of those categories. For example, like, we can click on health and fitness, which is actually that one category, right? Industry that's booming, that's proven to make money. Okay, so here we have all of the products in health and fitness category here on Clickbank. As you can see, we have a ton of different products, 1,238 different products, right? So the question is which one product to promote, right? Which product to promote. So, you know, here on Clickbank, there is very cool trick that you can actually use that will help you find products that are converting very well. Now, to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort results by something called gravity. And gravity is that formula Clickbank used to calculate how well each product sells, and the higher that score, the higher that gravity number. That means the product is selling better, and more people, more affiliates are actually making money by selling this product. So it's very cool stuff. Now, basically, you can see gravity score, gravity number here. And here you can see how much you are getting paid on average every time you refer customer to this product, right? So every time someone purchases from you, this is how much you would earn. Now, and basically, again, like I told you, some products, some vendors will actually pay you, you know, different percentages. So here you can see how much you would earn on average, right? You can see 74%, right? Commissions. So basically, you know, this is kind of when it comes to products. Now if I actually want to promote the product, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on this red promote button, and I'm going to get my own unique affiliate link. So basically all you have to do here is enter your account nickname, and this is the nickname you actually created nickname as you are creating your Clickbank account. Generate hop links, and basically, you know, your hop link here is your affiliate link, okay, and this link is unique to you, and this is how Clickbank is able to track that you are making sales, that you are actually referring customers. So this link, okay, this is my unique link, you will have your unique link, and every time someone purchases through your unique link, you are getting paid, you are making money, right? Very, very cool stuff. So basically this is how you actually get your affiliate link, right? But the question is, how do you actually successfully promote this link? Because anyone can go on Clickbank, anyone can go to the same traffic source, right? Get people from the same places. And a lot of people think, you know, just because affiliate marketing is simple, you know, it's simple business model, but like you need to have strategy, right? You need to do certain things in a certain way. So basically we need to have conversion mechanism, conversion machine that will actually help you sell this product, right? Because if you think about it, what most affiliates are doing is they would just have their affiliate link, and they would buy some traffic, some people, some visitors, some clicks, and they would send those people straight to their affiliate link. And you know, this is exactly what I used to do, and this is exactly what I was failing. Because if you think about it, because this is something that most affiliates are doing, and if you are doing the same thing, you are no different. So why would someone buy from you and not from this other person who is also selling this product, right? So this is why we need to follow this model right here. Okay, so this is why we need to have component number 2, which is conversion machine. So let me actually show you how it looks like. So, okay, don't save. So basically what I want to do to actually make money with affiliate marketing, like I don't want to send people straight to my affiliate link, because this is what majority of people are doing. And this is the reason why majority of people are failing. So what I want to do is I want to create myself a separate page that will help me stand out in the marketplace. Because if you think about it, like why would someone buy from me and not from this other person if we are doing the same thing, right? Same marketing, same everything. So people need to have the reason to buy from you and not from hundreds of other people. Now to do this, you need to create yourself a simple page called landing page. Now this page, this is where people are submitting their email addresses, and this is where we're capturing traffic, and this page will help you stand out in the marketplace. So what's happening is basically you have here a headline that talks about that solution those people are looking for, right? And basically to get access to this information, people need to enter their email address. Once they do this, they go to your list. So you're basically collecting all of those email addresses, right? You're building your list in something called RSponder. And RSponder is the technology where you are actually storing all of those contacts, all of those email addresses. But also, like, this is where you are communicating with those people. So you are uploading different emails, loading different emails, right? And this is how you are actually following up with people on your list. Now the thing is, why this landing page is very, very important, because again, on one side, like you might be selling the same product as hundreds of other affiliates, right? And those people, like if you are getting traffic from the same traffic source, from the same place, like those people might already have seen the affiliate offer. But because they have never seen your landing page, right? This landing page is unique to you. It will help you stand out in the marketplace. Okay, so I want to send people to my landing page. But also, like, I want to capture traffic, because it takes, for people, it takes more time to be exposed to certain products to actually decide whether they want to purchase or not, right? So basically just sending people one time to my affiliate offer, and then basically those people don't buy, people just leave this website, right? Your affiliate offer, and you don't make any money. So this is why I want to capture people. So I want to capture those people, I want to capture traffic, because this will help you continue to communicate with those people, right? So you can send them different emails, and you can basically channel people back to your affiliate product. So what I want to do, and basically from there, people can be redirected to your affiliate link. Okay, but basically then, like, we need to, once you have, because what's happening here is those visitors who are landing on your landing page are entering their email addresses, and basically those people are converted into leads, right? People on your email list. But now we also, to actually make money, we need to know how to actually convert those leads into customers. And again, to do this, we need to have emails preloaded in our RSponder. So I want to have all of those emails. By the way, these are supposed to be, perfect emails, especially this first one, right? It's really perfect. But anyway, so basically, like, all of those emails was very, very cool. Like, all of those emails can be automated. So you can write them once, you can preload them in your responder, and every time someone enters their email address, that person will automatically receive all of those emails. So it's very, very cool because you don't have to be there all the time writing those emails manually, right? Now, basically, but you might be asking, okay, so I have all of those emails, but what do I write in all of those emails, right? How do I communicate with my people? How do I actually convert those people into buyers? How do I make money? Now, what's very, very cool here on Clickbank. So let me go back to Clickbank. So a lot of these products actually have some additional resources, some email swipes that you can actually preload and send out to your list. So for example, here in the description, you can see where it says affiliate page, and here is this link. So if I click on this link, so here we have actually, more resources for affiliates that you can actually use that will help you convert those leads into buyers. So here they have more products, few products, but what I'm looking for is I'm looking for this one, right? The flat belly fix. So basically, as you can see, they have some email swipes. So I'm going to click on these links, and those are basically emails that you can use in your affiliate promotions. So like, you don't have to necessarily write your own emails, right? If you're a complete beginner, if you don't know how to do it, you can basically take a look at all of those emails. You can copy them. You can basically preload them in your responder, right? Or maybe you can write them in your own words, and basically you can send it out to your list. So as you can see, they have a lot of different emails, right? They have some pictures, which is very, very cool. But basically, depending on what it is that you are selling, some vendors will offer you more content, right? So maybe some videos, maybe articles, interviews, right? Basically a lot of different content that will actually help you convert those people on your list into buyers. So basically this is basically think number two. Okay, we need to have this conversion mechanism that will actually help you convert your traffic into leads and then into buyers. So basically this is think number two. Okay, now think number three is basically traffic. So traffic is basically visitors, right? People, your potential customers. Now there is a lot of different sources, different places where you can actually go to find those people. So let me actually give you a couple of those. So what you can do, first one is you can use something called solo ads. And this is actually a very, very beginner friendly method, because what you are doing is you are identifying people, marketers, who already build their list. So those people have their audience, and what you can do is you can pay them a little bit of money, and those people will channel their traffic to your link, right, to your landing page. So this is solo ads. Now, what else can you do is you can do something called influencer media. Influencer, okay. So basically, influencer media is basically similar to solo ads, because what you are doing is you are also tapping into already existing pool of people. So basically, there is a lot of influencers, right, who already build their following. So what you can do is you can identify people in your niche. You can pay a little bit of money. You can send them your ad. They will take that ad and they will show that they will actually place that ad in front of their audience. And you will actually have their people clicking on your ad, right? Redirecting those people to your affiliate link, to your landing page. So basically, influencer media. Now you can do Google ads. You can do also Bing ads. You can do something called display media. Basically there is a lot of different traffic sources where you can go to find those people who will be interested in buying your product. So this is, here are 5 of those traffic sources. And basically those are 3 steps that will help you make money with Clickbank. So think number 1, we need to have a product. Think number 2, very, very important, critically important, is we need to have conversion machine. And think number 3, we need to have some traffic, right? Some visitors, potential buyers. And basically this is kind of like the big picture. But again, like if you want to learn all of these in great detail, what you can do is you can click on the first link in the description, and you can access more in-depth training that will basically explain to you how this model works, how to implement it, and basically how to build very, very successful and very lucrative affiliate business. So feel free to check it out if you want to learn how to do this. And basically this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me some thumbs up. I would appreciate it. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. And I'm looking forward to talk to you soon. Bye.